of the dais, Honorable Chief Guest Dr. Rajendra Pandey, Advisor All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi. We welcome you, sir, to the eco-friendly, noise-free, lush green and academically vibrant campus of Gaikwad Patil Group of Institutions. We also have Honorable Treasurer Gaikwad Patil Group of Institution, Professor Sandeep Gaikwad, Honorable Principal TGPCT Dr. Geeta Padole Gaikwad, Honorable Director Innovation, Incubation, Industry and Linkages Dr. Prashant Kadu, Honorable Principal TGPCA Professor Vandana Khande, Respected Director IT Cell Professor Makul Pandey, Respected Director Finance Mrs. Surekha Raut, Honorable Dean R&D Dr. Narendra Chaudhary, Respected Registrar Dr. Nandakishore Savai, all respected deans, HODs, teaching and non-teaching staff members of institution. On behalf of Gaikwad Patil Group of Institution, I feel delighted to offer a gracious welcome to all of you. The legacy of hero is memory of great name and an inheritance of great examples. We begin this day with the fond memory of late Shri Tulsinamji Gaikwad Patil sir on his 35th death anniversary. Sir, we have not seen you. But since from the last few years, we have heard many inspiring stories about you from our management members. Shri Tulsinamji Gaikwad Patil sir was a great man with great vision. His approach was to provide primary education to the people living in small towns and rural areas. And today his dream, his vision is fulfilled and transformed into reality by tremendous efforts taken by our Honorable Chairman, Dr. Mohan Gaikwad Patil sir. Shri Tulsinamji Gaikwad Patil sir, you are our inspiration. We will always treasure your memories and miss beyond measure. Today we remember you with a deep respect in our heart. I request dignitaries to pay homage to Honorable late Shri Tulsinamji Gaikwad Patil sir by giving him floral tribute followed by tribute lightning lamp.
Madam.
I request dignitaries for tribute lightning lamp. Thank you everyone. I request all to be please seated off the dais. In the loving memory of late Shri Tulsinamji Gaikwad Patil sir, let us give him a tribute by listening a songs by our students. Starting with first song by Ms. Amisha and Babita. I request you to please present the song.
दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, पैर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, माँ यशोदा की जैसे सुलाते नहीं, माँ यशोदा की जैसे सुलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं, गोपियों की तरह तुम नचाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम्।
Thank you everyone. Thank you Adesha and Babita. Next Ms. Pranali to present the last song of this occasion. students for this beautiful, mesmerizing songs. Your voices are really soulful. Let us move on to the next section of program. Ladies and gentlemen, I feel immensely proud to share the news that this year TGPCT has conferred with 2 awards. Firstly, the legacy of institution continues to shine by featuring in prestigious list among 200 best private college in India announced by India Today with a special issue of 25th annual survey. On behalf of our management, I thank all the stakeholders for your support and contribution and making TGPCT leading light in the field of technical education. Yet another achievement of institution by adding a feather to its cap by receiving reputed AICTE grant of 1 lakh, resulting to which TGPCT has established STEM Club at our campus. STEM. STEM, the word has its own significance. Student towards technical excellence and management. With further ado, I invite Honorable Chief Guest to raise the curtain of this club. A big round of applause. Clapping must go on. Dear all, the STEM Club has been established. Thank you all. Now, I would like to call upon President of STEM Club AICTE Spices, Mr. Nandadeep Dhoni, to shed more light on this club.
A very good morning to the respected dignitaries on the dais, and the students. I am Nandadeep Dhoni from Technical Department, elected as the president for AICTE sponsored STEM Club. Firstly, I am standing here with a great pride and honor as the president of a STEM Club, and I would like to thank everyone for showing such a great faith and interest in me. Now, moving forward to our club, that is STEM Club. Students toward technical excellence and management, which is sponsored by AICTE Spices, scheme for promoting interest, creativity and ethics among students. This club is basically going to conduct many technical events which will enhance students' skills and talent, and also they will get their best opportunities to showcase their talents and skills. So, we are going to conduct technical events such as Brain Chat, a national level innovative idea award, contention, a debate competition, virtual science project competition, Jantantra, e-poster making competition, youth fest, national level project competition, Explore Nature, a short film competition, and many more. Being a president or leader does not mean Hitler or dictator, but on the other hand, it means strict and lenient. So, you can always come to me, talk to me, and let me know your concern and precious ideas. I will be always ready to improve myself along with the pre-elected team members and the other committee members. I believe in working as a team, and I would walk out of this institution knowing that I have done something for this wonderful and encouraging institution. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I promise you, as a president of State Club, I will follow the right path and never disappoint with my work. Thank you.
Thank you, Ranveer, and best wishes for your duties. Now, with a kind request, I invite dignitaries to occupy their respective seats on the dais. Thank you, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, on this significant day, we are pleased to have Honorable Rajendra Kakre, Advisor AICT, present with us. I request Professor Anup Gade, Dean Academics, to welcome our chief guest by presenting Sam. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to call upon Dr. Prashankaru, Director IIIL, for opening remarks.
Warm good morning to all. At the outset, first of all, let me remember the grandfather of our under management, late Sri Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil. We are remembering him on his 35th death anniversary in this August. Friends, to start with this program, first of all, let me inform the value system late Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil Babuji has given us through our honorable mind. Friends, born on 1st of April 1910 in a very small village named Berdi, Taluka, Sansad, district Chindwara. Then it was a part of Central Police's CP, and Berar we used to call. Berar means Varad. It was a part of Central Police Madhya Prant. He strived hard to educate people in general from that village, basically from the strata of like a poor economic background. He worked as a social worker in the village. The whole value system he imbibed in his son, and then his next generation. And we see the college is outcome of his value system. Before formal welcome of the guests, I must give more insight about Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil. While he was there in the village that time, he insisted upon the education and practiced it on his own son and daughter. Forcefully sent his son and daughter to Nagpur. That time the finance was one of the issues. This is what I am informed by honorable management time to time, and then our honorable chairman used to follow the value system regularly. That time the finances were the issue. Still he posed, and they were like going through the tough time of high economic background. His son and daughter educated in Nagpur. During 70s, like 1970s, our honorable chairman, Dr. Mohan Gaikwad sir, Sandeep sir, and all family members got admitted here. यहाँ पे भी रहते हुए उन्होंने अपना जो डिसिप्लिन वाला पार्ट था, सिंसियरिटी वाला पार्ट था, वो इतने अलग ढंग से इनवाइट किया, that has given birth to this institution, sir. He emphasized the poor must be given education, and therefore in our institution, sir, we give grant scholarship to more than 18 lakhs, to the tune of 18 lakhs rupees, so that students from rural area, students from very moderate background of economical background should get educated through Akash scholarship. We have our own Akash scholarship, so regardless of the government of India, government of Maharashtra scholarship, we are having our own scholarship named Akash scholarship. Those who are topper in first year, second year, and respective years, we give scholarship. It is only because of Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil's value system. सगळ्यांनी शिकलं पाहिजे आणि शिकायसाठी कुठलीही आर्थिक अडचण यायला नको. या सगळ्या परिस्थितीमध्ये जरी एज्युकेशन इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स कठीण परिस्थितीत जात आहेत, तरी सुद्धा आमच्या ऑनरेबल चेअरमन आणि मॅनेजमेंटने डिसाईड केलं की व्हॅल्यू सर तिथून एम्पायर्स आहे. You see, because of him, then our college took birth. Gaikwad Patil Group of Institution started with one college, Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology. It's a NAAC A+ accredited college. We are very proud to say, sir, this is a college A+ accredited, and the only second college in Nagpur University having A+. We are having another engineering college, Abha Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering. We are having another engineering college, UMIT. We are having one architecture college. We are having international school. This is only because of that's why I am remembering. Most of you doesn't get more chance to interact with the management. I took this opportunity. How the value system can change our lives. आज के परिप्रेक्ष्य में हम बड़ों के सुनने में हमें बड़ा जरा खराब लगता है, लेकिन हमारे चेयरमैन, हमारे मैनेजमेंट ने बापूजी का जो सुना, तो इसका जीता जागता सक्सेस का उदाहरण हमारे यहाँ पे दिख रहा है. इसलिए आज के दिन ये पूरी चीजों की बात आपके सामने रखना ये मेरा कर्तव्य बनता है. साथ ही साथ सर, हमारे यहाँ स्किल डेवलपमेंट कोर्सेस अराउंड 17 डिफरेंट स्टेट में हमारे यहाँ चल रहा है. We are having our own software industry that we are running. We have recently taken a land in Mihan in collaboration with one of the partners from Norway. This is the growth going leaps and bounds, but the vision and mission is only given by Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil. Today we are feeling very privileged and honored to have the AICT Advisor 1, Dr. Rajendra Kakade, who hails from Nagpur city itself. It's a proud and very honor for us. A round of applause for him being in AICT. Sir, at the outside, we thank for being here, and friends, I must put on record, it is his first personal physical visit to any institution. That is our privilege. We are we owe sir your respect, like the kind of respect you have given. Sir is specially invited for AICT sponsored club's inauguration on this very auspicious occasion to remember Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil and his value system. Sir, under this scheme, we are going to empower the students with the creativity and then ethics, universal human values. We are striving hard to imbibe these universal human values, and I also done the AICT program, the course in August where AICT has done on universal human values, and we are trying separately to develop our student together with technological aspect. The human values plays a vital role, and this club, this grant which you have given, AICTE has given, will help us in imbibing the spirit of creativity, ethics, and personal interest among the student of our college. Thank you very much. Going ahead, one part I again remember about Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil Babuji. He used to help, what we been informed by our management, used to help poor people from the village Berdi to come in a government medical college Nagpur and help financially also for medication. Taking that clue, our honorable management have started recently the COVID alert during this COVID period. That is another value system. I remember, I connected this. I again repeat, when you owe respect to the elders, automatically good thought comes into your mind. Therefore, honorable management, Dr. Mohan Gaikwad sir, chairman, started COVID alert. Sir, I am very happy to tell you, we are going to come up with the Ayurvedic college hospital. We are already brought. And this is only because of the value system. For the institutions, vision statement go with the memories of Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil. So lastly, definitely as you have came, you will visit our institution. We already thank you for giving us additional courses like AIML. We have given the additional course of PE Civil, additional course on computer science, data science. We expect the same. Being from Nagpur, we expect the same cooperation in future so that youth from this region can grow well through our value system, and we promise you that whatever thing you are going to give us, that will be very well used for the betterment and development of skillful manpower of this region. That's it, sir. Let us hope your visit to institution will be very fruitful from your point of view, that you can give some suggestions to us. We hope your time in our institution will be valuable, more valuable for us. Thank you being with us, sir. And again, I paid a warm tribute to Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil on this occasion. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words. As very correctly expressed by our STEM Club President, Mr. Nandini Dhoni, that this club is installed for showcasing talent of our students. For enriching this STEM club, institution has initiated with online voting system for the various designations, and with high votes we have elected 4 members available with us. I request honorable dignitaries to appreciate the members by presenting the badges. Firstly, I would like to call upon President of STEM Club, Mr. Nandadeep Dhone from Mechanical Department. I request Dr. Rajendra Kapre sir to please present him badge. Big round of applause. Next, I would like to call upon Vice President of STEM Club, Mr. Kunal Charde from EC Department. I request Professor Sandeep Gaikwad sir to please present his badge. I request Rajendra Kapre sir to please present his badge. Now I would like to call upon Ms. Rashmi Mishra from IT Department. I request our Chief Guest to please do the honor. Lastly, for the post of Treasurer, Ms. Ishika Bhatt is elected. I request our Chief Guest to please do the honor. In all the dignitaries and many congratulations to all the office bearers. I am pretty sure that this club would definitely bring laurels to our prestigious institution. Now it's time to introduce chief guest of today's program. I am profusely overjoyed to take an opportunity to introduce our honorable chief guest, Dr. Rajendra Kakre. Sir has joined All India Council for Technical Education, AICT, as an advisor from September 2020. Previously, he was professor at Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences in RTM Nagpur University. Sir has obtained his bachelor's, master's and doctoral degree in pharmaceutical sciences from RTM Nagpur University. He has 25 years of teaching and industrial experience. He is the member of IPA, APTI, ISCA and SFB. Under his able guidance, 8 students awarded PhD and 40 students awarded PG. He has, to his credit, more than 125 research papers and presentation in national and international research journals. He published 2 books, namely Research Methodology and Textbook of Pharmaceuticals. He is a reviewer for more than 10 national and international reputed journals. Sir has experience of industry by working with Cadila, Lupin and Glenmark in research and development. He is a visiting professor at Portsmouth University, UK and works in collaboratory project with School of Pharmacy and Biomedical Sciences. He has been bestowed with several awards, which includes Best Teacher Award from RTM Nagpur University for Excellence in Academic and Research, Best Research Paper Award and Best Paper Presentation Award. Dr. Kakre emphasizes on quality education, e-learning, startup, entrepreneurship, collaborative, multidisciplinary and skill development based education. Sir, we are really honored by your gracious presence. I now request you to please address the gathering. Please, sir.
Thank you very much. Good morning to everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Have you taken breakfast or not? Anyway, thank you very much for inviting me to this program. First of all, I would like to say my tribute to the Sham inviting us, but their blessings are always with the organization. And these are the fruits from the day, and we are exploring this into our social life and society. So first of all, again, congratulations to the Gaikwad Patil College for organizing these programs for the development of the students in this area. And I know about this college when Sandeepji first time comes to me and they are thinking about this and like that. And I know that because I am from the Nagpur and I know each college, what is going on and what things are there, what the facilities are there. And your college is one of the best in this region. And I know about that. And I feel that under the able guidance of Mohanji Gaikwad, this again flourish with the help of Sandeepji Gaikwad and the teachers, all the teachers and this institute, they will flourish this again and reach the top level. And when we are giving any scheme to any of them for the utilization of these or well-being of the teachers, institutes and the students, so we have the various schemes and every year we are increasing the number of schemes and number of funds also, so that each and everyone get the benefit of. No one is left, in the system. They get educated. We have so many schemes. Everyone knows that there is an institutional schemes, Modrops. Have you applied anything for the Modrop schemes also? We have the Modrop scheme for the institutions. We have the faculty schemes for the RPS. You have the schemes for your paper presentation if you want to go into India or abroad. The schemes. Then we have the schemes for the students. So many schemes for the students because they have to visit our website for the scholarships, GPAT, then GATE. Then we have so many schemes for the students. We are giving travel grants also for the students, things like spices also there. So each and every, and again, if you want to get the other scholarship, apart from that, you suggest us that these are the schemes we are lacking, AICT is lacking in this type of programs. We will establish, we will implement these schemes if there is no schemes like that. So when we are talking about the schemes for the students, so I am always in the mood of that, or there is overall developments of the students, and this facilitates the students for getting the benefits from these schemes. तो हमारे बच्चों की ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट होना चाहिए, not only on this पढ़ाई ही करते हैं ना आप लोग. So some are the talents, some are the good dancers, some are the good speaker, dancers, some are the singer, some are the sportsman. So just to give their to promote their interest. That's why it is promoting this interest, creativity and the ethics. They have brilliant knowledge of when they are talking about research and innovation. I have thought that they are very much brilliant. जब भी हमारे भी इंस्टीट्यूट्स में when I was the director of technology park in the university, हम लोग बच्चों को ऐसे schemes देते थे. When just you come with the ideas, we will funding you. So they have the brilliant ideas and मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप लोगों ने भी उन लोगों को बच्चों का ऐसे आइडियाज दो जो फंड दे, you come with the idea. बच्चों का ऐसा नहीं कि ये चीज़ों में इसे पढ़ाई में they have the around और उसमें ऐसा मुझे लगता है कि एजुकेशन के साथ साथ if you are promoting this type of activity, they get benefited and even institutes get benefited and society get benefited. They have the fantastic idea because they are in the surrounding and these students are the smart students. Now they are the generations of the 21st century. So that's why in every program I am telling about us when FDP is there, STP is there. उस वक्त मैं हर बार बोलते रहता कि we are the teachers of the 20th century and the students of the 21st century and studying with the syllabus of 19th century. So we have to be equivalent with these. So students अभी तो टीचर लोगों के लिए ज़्यादा चैलेंज है because they must be at par with the students also. Students having the mobile is immediately they are putting Google Guru. Google Guru is there. They are putting one phrase, what is the teacher is telling, and immediately get the all information. So our degree is also that we are with the at par, or we have the all recent trends. We must go through the website, each and everything, so that हमें ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए बात में कि बच्चों ने कुछ पूछा और जवाब नहीं दे सकते. So AICT always promoting this type of schemes for the upgradation of the knowledge of the teachers. So faculty development programs. Many programs are there. Even Atal, if you know the Atal AICT, is very famous, popular scheme of the AICT, where Atal AICT training and learning schemes, and about 2 lakhs of the teachers are educated in this pandemic. It started in 17-18, and that time about 300 or 400 programs was there. That was physically. But more than that, in the pandemic, we achieved the targets and we did the awards from the vendor. It's a great achievement for the AICT for running these Atal programs. So everyone get benefited because of this, and 2 lakhs teachers are get benefited through these schemes. And the experts from IIT, NIT, these are the experts from IIMs. So we get the benefited through their knowledge. We get upgraded our knowledge of faculty. And whenever you want, we are always there. If the teachers feels we want this type of awards, this type of schemes, we will implement. Last year we have started the Best Teacher Award. Vishwakarma Best Teacher Award is the teachers. So last year someone tells that sir AICT don't have this type of award. So we will say that okay. Our visionary, our chairman, they say okay, we will start this award. So, and last year we started this and we felicitate the best of the teachers in India, and everywhere this is going on. And for the students, so many schemes are there. That's why I am not exploring all these schemes here. But you always go through the website. You are having fantastic. You have for undergraduate, postgraduate, for foreign, for travel. Everything is there. We are always looking for the development of the students. You are the best because we are there because of you. You students are our strength. and you just tell us what type of streams you need, we'll implement there. And for these STEMs clubs, I like this name for what is it, ideas from the students' brain. So जिसकी जड़ें मजबूत हो, गायकवाड़ पाटिल कॉलेज की जड़ें मजबूत है तो STEM तो अच्छा ही होगा. And this STEM is the beauty of this. And I hope the college make them very stronger as like a STEM. So this is a very beautiful name and it indicates that जिसकी जड़ें मजबूत हो तो उसका STEM भी मजबूत ही होगा. And I hope again this will happen in the future. And I again congratulate all of you and from the delegations, from the different resource person in these programs will help all the students to get again and again in this area. So thank you very much for calling me in these programs. And this is the first program so थोड़ा अवगढ़ सा लगता है कि online we are always online 60 to 70 times we are going for the online programs and first time I am coming in front of you. So it is like that. So सर्व लोक समोरासमोर आणि तुम्ही आपल्या स्क्रीनवरून बसून दिसून सर्व गोष्टी मला वाटतात. So everywhere. But now I feel when I was in return back to Nagpur for some time, त्यावेळी त्यांनी म्हटलं की सर मला यायचं तर म्हटलं ओके I am here. I will visit to your college physically, no issue. Thank you very much once again. Thank you for inviting me here. Gaekwad Patil ji, and I hope your college and your students will flourish and will bring the knowledge to your college. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you very much, sir, for sharing your knowledge with us. In your speech, you talked about AICTE Vishwakarma Award. And at this moment, I feel glad to tell you that we are the receiver of AICTE Vishwakarma Award. It was a pleasure listening to you. We are honored by your kind presence. We certainly look forward to have another interaction with you in future. Now, I would like to request Professor Sandeep Gaekwad sir to please give presidential remark and also cherish few moments with Tulsiram ji sir.
Thank you, Neha. सबसे पहले मैं आदरणीय स्वर्गीय तुलसीराम जी गायकवाड पाटिल को नमन करते हुए आज के कार्यक्रम जो ऑलरेडी ओपनिंग रिमार्क डॉक्टर कडू सर ने तुलसीराम जी गायकवाड पाटिल के बारे में बताया है और उनका एक ही बोलना रहता था हरदम कि आप करके दिखाओ. बोल तो सब सकते हैं, बोलना तो सबको आता है, बोलने से ज्यादा आप करके दिखाओ. और वो जो है आज के इस सभा के मुख्य अतिथि आदरणीय डॉक्टर काकड़े सर, जिनको मैं बड़ा भाई बोलूंगा क्योंकि हमारे आज एक बड़े भाई अब्सेंट है, चेयरमैन आदरणीय मोहन जी गायकवाड, मंच पे बैठे सभी अतिथिगण, डॉक्टर प्रशांत कडू, IIIL and principal of our college, then officing principal of TGT, Dr. Geeta Padole, principal architecture college, Professor Vandana Khante, young dynamic director IT, क्योंकि अभी सर ने बताया जमाना IT का है तो प्रोफेसर मुकुल पांडे, very learned and a senior registrar Dr. Sabai, Dean R&D Dr. Chaudhary, and the last but not least the finance director, because it is the backbone of HSST, that is Raul Madam. All HODs, deans, faculties, teaching, non-teaching and my dear students. सबसे पहले आज सच में मतलब मैं काकड़े सर का तहे दिल से धन्यवाद बोलूंगा और मुझे वो दिन आज भी याद है. सर विद योर काइंड परमिशन मैं कुछ बोलूंगा तो मुझे माफ कर देना सर. कि 7 अप्रैल वेडनेसडे था और कुछ ऑफिशियल काम के लिए मुझे दिल्ली जाना पड़ा और मैं जब दिल्ली गया तो सबसे पहले काकड़े सर की तरफ कार्ड भेजा. सर जैसे कार्ड भेजते और जनरली AICTE ऑफिस अभी बहुत से लोग को मालूम है, पहले गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस का जो कंसेप्ट था वो आप यदि AICTE ऑफिस में जाओगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि ग्लोबलाइजेशन, प्राइवेटाइजेशन के कारण क्या चेंजेस होते हैं. तो ऑफिस की बिल्डिंग जैसे अपना कैंपस है वैसे ग्रीन ब्यूटीफुल कैंपस विद ब्यूटीफुल पीपल, सिर्फ ब्यूटीफुल कैंपस से कोई मतलब नहीं होता। जैसे हमारे कैंपस में सर ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स, बटरफ्लाइज है, वैसे ब्यूटीफुल कैंपस एआईसीटी ऑफिस में है। और सर ने तुरंत बुलाया, देखा और शायद आज बताया नहीं, उसी दिन मेरे मन में एक ख्याल आया कि काकड़े सर को अपन ने बुलाना चाहिए। और शायद अभी मैं बोलूंगा तो सर को भी रिमेम्बर दूंगा, सर के टेबल पे उनके पेरेंट का फोटो है। बहुत कम जगह फोटो पेरेंट का रहता होगा, मैं यदि गलत होगा तो सर यहाँ बैठ के आप पूछ सकते हो। और वो चीज मैंने मार्क किया और उसी दिन मुझे लगा कि सर को एक अपन ने अच्छे कार्यक्रम के लिए बुलाना चाहिए। और ऑलमोस्ट 6-7 महीने हो गए वो बात होने के बाद। और जिसको बोलते ना तुलसीराम जी गायकवाड़ पाटिल जी, कर्म थ्योरी है। मतलब मैं पिछले 1.5 साल से थोड़ा सा मतलब बीइंग अ साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट बोला तो अपन फॉलो नहीं करते, बट स्पिरिचुअलिटी एंड कर्म के ऊपर फैक्टर रहता है। और ये बात मैंने उसी वक्त सोचा कि सर बहुत अच्छे समय आना चाहिए अपने यहाँ, कि मैंने दिल के बात ही क्योंकि उनका वो टेप देखा। और आज के डेट में आप पेरेंट, ग्रैंड पेरेंट, इनको आप मानते हो, इसका मतलब आप भगवान को मानते हो और दे आर द रियली गॉड फॉर यू। और उनके ब्लेसिंग्स कभी वेस्ट नहीं होते हैं, ये हमने खुद देखा है। आता आपण बोलू 2 मिनिटं मी आमच्या आजोबांबद्दल बोलील, कारण की त्यांचं जे आता तुम्ही फोटो बघत होते त्यांची टोपी पांढरी राहत होते, पांढरं सदरा आणि पांढरं धोतर आणि त्याच्यावर तो कोट घालत होते, ते कधी कधी तो कोट घालतात ते। आणि बेसिकली सगळ्यात पहिले कडू सरांनी सांगितलं त्याप्रमाणे आहे की एज्युकेशन ही जी आहे त्याला डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकरांनी म्हटलेलं आहे की हे वाघिणीचं दूध आहे। इट इज रिअली फॅक्ट। त्यांनी तेव्हा सांगितलं तुम्हाला की तुम्हाला जर काही करायचं असेल आयुष्यात तर सगळ्यात पहिले एज्युकेशन घ्या। एज्युकेशन घेतलं की तुमचे माइंड्स ओपन होतात आणि तुम्ही अपॉर्च्युनिटी देतात आणि तुम्ही स्वतःसाठी तर जगतात पण दुसऱ्यासाठी जगा, हा जो मूल मंत्र त्यांनी दिला तो मूल मंत्र आहे। त्यामुळे त्यांनी सगळ्यात पहिले आमचे मोठे वडील त्यांना पाठवलं नागपूरला, त्याच्यानंतर और उसके बाद दूसरी जो बात की मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा वो कि आज जो पेरेंट कंपटीशन रहता है, मार्क परसेंटेज देखते हैं। मैं तो बहुत एवरेज स्टूडेंट था, उनको तभी बोला कि मतलब जब उन्होंने पहली बार मेरे को सिटी में लाया, नागपुर सिटी, तो मैं इतना मतलब फॉरेन में आया जैसा फील होता था, क्योंकि मैंने अपने गांव में कभी कोई लेडीज को गाड़ी चलाते वक्त नहीं देखा था। नागपुर में आया और कोई लेडीज गाड़ी चला रही 2 व्हीलर, तो आजोबा निघाले और मी इथे तसंच मी त्यांना हात टाकून, अरे पहा आजोबा पहा ती बाई गाड़ी चालवते, ती बाई गाड़ी चालवते है। मेरे को इतना फील होता था कि अपन कौन से इसमें आ गए कि जिसमें आज लेडीज गाड़ी चला रही है। मतलब बोलने का मतलब ये रहता है कि आप अच्छा काम करो, आप तहे दिल से अपना पूरा 100% एफर्ट दीजिए और आप अपने पेरेंट, फोर फादर, इनका वेल विशर्स हरदम आपके साथ रहते हैं, तो उनके हरदम मैं बोलूंगा। और कल भी देखिए सर 18 एप्रिल त्यांची राहतं आणि आषाढी एकादशी त्या दिवशी आहे आणि महाराष्ट्राचं कुलदैवत विठ्ठल रुक्माई त्याला म्हणतात, त्याचं उद्या एकादशी आहे सर। आणि आमचं काली एक काम झालं, ती एकादशीच्या कॉलेज पहिल्या वेळेस ऍप्लिकेशन आलं सर, ती आमचं पहिल्या एकादशीच्या आणि त्यांच्या पुण्यतिथीच्या वेळेस आलं, तर त्यांनी पहिलं कॉलेज आलं तेव्हा कोर्टात जाऊन आणावं लागलं, त्या तिथून आमचं एआयसीटीचं माहित आहे। त्यामुळे आम्हाला आणि डॉक्टर मोहन गायकवाड सर यांनी नागपुरात ही पहिली अशी आहे 2007 ला एक इंजिनिअरिंग कॉलेज सुरू केलं आणि इंजिनिअरिंग कॉलेज सोबत केल्याबरोबर त्याच्यानंतर पॉलिटेक्निक झालं, आर्किटेक्चर झालं, स्कूल झालं, हॉस्पिटल झालं, आता त्याच्यानंतर हॉस्पिटॅलिटी म्हणजे कॅटरिंग टेक्नॉलॉजी, फार्मसी पण सरांनी व्हिजिट केलेलं आहे आणि आता रिसॉर्टचं काम चालू करत आहे। त्यामुळे गायकवाड पाटील समूहात आज काय झालं सर की ड्यू टू पॅन्डेमिक सिच्युएशन आज आम्ही आमच्या हॉलमध्ये बरेचसे मी त्यांना दिलगिरी व्यक्त करतो की आमचा पूर्ण स्टाफ आम्ही इथे अकोमोडेट करू शकलो नाही, त्यामुळे आम्ही कार्यक्रम ऑनलाईन घेतलेला आहे। बरेचसे विद्यार्थी आहे, आज 3,500 विद्यार्थी इथे करत आहे। आज 3,500 विद्यार्थ्यांनी त्यांच्या पालकांनी जो आमच्यावर विश्वास टाकलेला आहे तो विश्वास आम्ही 100% पूर्ण करू, कारण की हे आमचे मार्गदर्शक जे आहे ते डॉक्टर स्वर्गीय तुळशीरामजी गायकवाड पाटील आणि डॉक्टर मोहन गायकवाड आहे, त्यामुळे त्याचं आम्ही 100% पूर्ण करू। आणि त्याचप्रमाणे सर आज 450 ते 500 स्टाफ आहे। मी नेहमी म्हणतो आज सर, कारण की नागपुरात मला 25 वर्ष एज्युकेशन सेक्टरला झालेले आहे, बरेचसे लोक बोलतात की अरे यार म्हणजे तुझ्याकडला स्टाफ बघितला तर म्हणजे आमच्याकडला ज्युनियर आहे तो तुमच्याकडे सिनियर आहे म्हणून, तर मी त्यांना नेहमी म्हणतो की वयाने सिनियर आणि ज्युनियर होत नाही. डिग्रीनी जसं तुळशीराम पाटलांनी 14th असलेल्या यांनी आज 35व्या वर्षी त्यांची आपल्याला पुण्यतिथी करावं लागून राहिलं, त्यांचा आज आठवण करतो. याचा अर्थ शिक्षणामुळे मोठा होत नाही, माणूस कर्मामुळे मोठा होतो. आणि त्यामुळे ज्युनियर सिनियर नसतो. आज आमच्याकडला जर ज्युनियर स्टाफ आज सिनियर स्टाफपेक्षा चांगला काम करत आहे आणि त्यांच्या बदौलत आज आम्ही A+ आणलेला आहे अकॅडमिक. आज पोरांचं एज्युकेशन इम्प्रूव्ह केलेलं आहे. आणि जे आज गायकवाड पाटीलचं एक छोटं वृक्ष जे आज तर तुम्हाला आम्ही दिलं आहे ते आज वटवृक्षात रूपांतर झालेलं आहे. ते फक्त आणि फक्त इथल्या शिक्षक, टीचिंग, नॉन टीचिंग आणि स्टुडंटमुळे झालेलं आहे. त्यांचा आम्ही विश्वास केलेला आहे. त्यानंतर आज सर मी तुमचं मनापासून पुन्हा एक अभिनंदन करतो की दिल्लीमध्ये नागपुरातून जाऊन, कारण की मी दिल्लीत एक AICTE ऑफिसला गेलेलो आहे, त्याच्यानंतर काउन्सिल ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर तिथले याच्या अगोदर जेव्हा गेलो तिथली चेअरमन जे होते ते प्रोफेसर उदय गडकरीजी, तेही नागपूरचे होते आणि ते माझे प्रिन्सिपल आता पण हबीब आहे, पण ते माझे प्रिन्सिपल पण होते एकेकाळी. तर मी जेव्हा गेलो तेव्हा दिल्लीत काम करणं ते मला वाटते सर आज बोलले नाही, कारण की आज महाराष्ट्रातून येऊन दिल्लीत काम करणं कशा टाईपचं असतं. आणि त्यांचा जो पहिला प्रिफरन्स होता आज त्यांनी बोलून दाखवलं. आणि जे सर काटोल पासून जे ग्रामीण क्षेत्रातून जे आम्ही आलेलो आहे, काय होतं किती मोठा माणूस झाला तो त्यांचा कर्म प्रूव्ह करतं की बाबा ग्रामीण मधून गेल्याच्या नंतरही पुन्हा ग्रामीण बद्दल अटॅचमेंट. मी गेल्याबरोबर नागपूरचं म्हटल्याबरोबर सरांचं जे आहे आज पण बोलले. आणि आज AICTE अप्रुव्हल ब्युरो A1 न्यू दिल्ली ही काही छोटी पोस्ट नाही आहे. म्हणजे आज ते आपल्यात आलेले आहे, हे आपलं सौभाग्य सर आहे. आणि मी आपल्या महाराष्ट्राचं कुलदैवत विठ्ठल रुक्माईला प्रार्थना करेल की ही तुमची दिल्लीची वारी अजून मोठी व्हावी आणि एक ऍडवायझर टू चेअरमन पर्यंत तुमचा प्रवास व्हावा. आणि आम्हाला गर्व नको कधी, अभिमान व्हावा की बा आमचे काकडे सर हे आज दिल्लीत आहे. आणि त्याच्यामुळे आम्हाला नागपूरवासी सध्या आता दिल्लीत नागपूरचं खूप मोठं फ्रॅड आहे, कारण की तिथे गेलं की ते बोलतात की बाबा मी AICTE ऑफिसला बसलो तर ते विचारतात आणि काय म्हणतात तुमचे गडकरी साहेब, आणि इथे AICTE त्याच्यात म्हणतात ते काय म्हणतात काकडे सर. तर आज हा आम्हाला अभिमान आहे आणि रिअली वी आर रिअली प्राऊड फील. आणि सर आज तुम्ही आम्हाला मार्गदर्शन करावं आणि जो यंग स्टाफ आहे त्याच्यात तुम्ही आमच्या कॉलेजला किंवा आमच्या ग्रुपला AICTEच्या याच्यात काय रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी देऊ शकता तुम्ही तो आम्हाला द्यावा. आणि आम्ही तो 100% तुमच्या विश्वासावर खरा उतरेल हे मी तुम्हाला सगळ्यांतर्फे मी हे आश्वासन देतो. सर वन्स अगेन आय एम व्हेरी मच थँकफुल फॉर गिव्हिंग युअर स्पेशियस टाइम. आणि काय आहे पॅन्डेमिक सिच्युएशन मध्ये तुम्हालाही माहिती आहे, तुम्ही गेल्याबरोबर मला म्हटलं की मला सगळं तू सांगू नको सगळ्या कॉलेजचं मला काय होतं काय नाही. जसं एक ईगल आय ज्याला म्हणतात ते काकडेकरांना ऑलरेडी आहे, त्यांच्याबद्दल मी भेटलो तर 7 एप्रिलला दिवस लक्षात ठेवलेला आहे मी आज तर माझ्या आयुष्यातला. आणि रिअली सर एक व्हायब्रन्सी असतात, जसे आमचे आजोबा होते ते नुसतं प्रेझन्स असली की एक व्हायब्रन्सी होती. ती व्हायब्रन्सी आज तुम्ही आल्याबरोबर मला ज्या दिवशी भेटले सर त्या दिवशीपासून मला स्वतः फील होत आहे. मी म्हणजे आदरणीय ज्या प्राचार्य आहे डॉक्टर गीता पटोळे त्या आता कॉलेजलाही प्राचार्य आहे, घरी तर तसेही प्राचार्य होतात, त्यांची ती माझी वाईफ आहे. त्यामुळे आता 24/7 प्राचार्याच्या अंडर आलेलं आहे. तर तुम्ही so with this I really thank to all stakeholders and late Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil. And I really thank to AICTE chairman also, Malkhede sir also, क्योंकि जहाँ भी गए तो आज 12 साल 14 साल के इंस्टीट्यूट के इसमें आप यदि क्रेडेंशियल्स देखोगे अपने कॉलेज में बहुत ज्यादा है. आप AICTE अपने को मिला है और इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस मिली है, मतलब आप लिस्ट देखोगे सर तर आम्हाला AICTE ने भरभरून दिलेला आहे. ती ब्लेसिंगच समजू आम्ही आणि पुढे आम्ही पुन्हा आमचा प्रूव्ह करू की म्हणजे काकडे सरांना एक प्राऊड फील होईल की माझी पहिली जी व्हिजिट झाली ती एक अशा कॉलेजमध्ये झाली की त्याच्यामुळे मी एक आयुष्यात जसं माझी पहिली भेट AICTE झाली ती रिमेंबर राहील, तशी सरांना ही गायकवाड पाटील समूह सर आम्ही इथे म्हणताना सगळं एक समूह म्हणतो सर, फॅमिली म्हणून राहतो. मी सगळ्यांना म्हणतो की आयुष्यात बघा तुम्ही आपण दिवसाचे 24 आवर्स असतात, 8 3 24 8 तुम्ही बघाल तर 8 तास माणूस झोपतो, 7 ते 8 तास म्हणजे 1/3 आयुष्य झोपण्यात जातं, 1/3 आयुष्य माणसाचं ऑफिसमध्ये जातं, 7 तास किंवा 8 तास काम करतो आणि 7-8 तास घरी असतो. तर त्याचं सेकंड होम जे असतं ते म्हणजे तुमचा ऑफिस वर्क असतो आणि सेकंड होम मध्ये जर तुम्ही हॅपी राहू शकले नाही तर त्याचा इफेक्ट तुमच्या घरी पण होतो. त्यामुळे जर सगळ्यात पहिलं तर घरीच हॅपी नसतो तर चालेल, पण वर्क मध्ये खूप हॅपी असायला पाहिजे. तर बाय डिफॉल्ट तुम्ही सगळे पण हॅपी राहू शकता. विथ दिस आय थँक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू. थँक्यू.
Thank you very much, sir, for your inspiring words. Now I request Honorable Treasurer, Gaikwad Patil Group of Institution, Professor Sandeep Gaikwad sir, to felicitate our chief guest, Honorable Advisor AICT, Dr. Rajendra Kakre, by presenting shawl, sweepers, and as a token of respect. Thank you very much, sir. Now I call upon Coordinator of AICT Spices STEM Club, Professor Asif Beg, to propose vote of thanks.
Galaxies on the dais, faculty member, supporting staff, and dear students, a very warm good afternoon. The best and beautiful thing in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt by heart. Thank you is one such prayer among them. I, Professor Asif Beg, Coordinator AICT Spices, feel a privilege to propose a vote of thanks to all the dignitaries who have witnessed a successful event. Today, my words are not enough to express the gratitude. On behalf of Tulsiram Ji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology, I would like to express thanks to our chief guest, Honorable Dr. Rajendra Kakre, who spared his precious time from his busy schedule to grace the occasion. I would like to express my gratitude towards our chairman, GPGI, Dr. Mohan Gaikwad, for providing us support at all times. I would like to express my thanks to our respected Treasurer GPGI, Professor Sandeep Gaikwad, for always showing us the right path and encouraging us to work in the right direction. I also thank Professor Dr. Geeta Gaikwad, Principal TGBCT, for your guidance and support. I also thank to our Director IIIL, Dr. Prashant Kadu, for his valuable guidance and encouragement in all our efforts. Next, though the madam is not here, but I would like to thank our Vice Principal, Professor Pragati Patil, for leading and inspiring us in working towards the goal of conducting this event. I am thankful to all the directors, registrar, deans, HODs for your valuable guidance and encouragement in all our efforts and to give support to ensure that this event becomes successful. The biggest thanks I owe to my teammate AICT Spices, Office PR STEM Club, for working hand to hand and make this event remarkable. I also thank Professor Vijay Wagli, Professor Neha Mogre, Mr. Sushil Bise, Mr. Anand Thumre, workshop attendants who are backbone of this event and making this event smoothly. Now I take the permission from the dignitaries to end the program with these lines. जिंदगी के इम्तिहान अभी बाकी है, आगे और भी जहान अभी बाकी है, अभी तो नापी है मुट्ठी भर जमी हमने, आगे पूरा आसमान अभी बाकी है.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you everyone for your gathering here on this occasion. Have a wonderful and safe day ahead. I request all the dignitaries to kindly proceed towards STEM Club in Block B building, ground floor, and guide us with your reviews.